Well, hello there, everyone. Thanks for coming back to another Kelp Talks. I've got a great little quick one for you. About a 2.5 minute video on how to Google Drive. Let's check it out.
Use the clickable sections below to skip to different parts of this tutorial. Access Google Drive in your browser by going to drive.google.com. To upload a file, you can simply drag and drop it into your browser window. Alternatively, you can click the New button on the top left of the screen and choose either File Upload or Folder Upload. Use the New button here to create a new file. You can create different types of Google Drive files such as documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Choose the file type you want from the drop-down here. Give your file a name by renaming it here. Any changes you want to make in the file in the future will automatically save on your drive. You can organize your files by using and creating folders. To create a new folder, click New and then Folder. Name your folder. Add files to it by dragging and dropping files. To share a file or folder with others, right-click on it and select Share. You can get a link to share with collaborators in the Get Links section. Add collaborators by inputting their email addresses and decide if they can edit, comment on, or simply view the file. You can add a personalized message here and then click Send.
Well, all right. That just worked out fabulous.